You need to watch this if you're born on the 5th, 14th, or on the 23rd of the month.
Now, if you're number 5, that is born on the 5th, the 14th, or the 23rd of the month, or under the sign of Gemini and or Virgo, well, that rules the nervous system, mental exhaustion, nervous tension, things of that nature, mental irritability, mental breakdowns. Of all the numbers, 5 has one of the best in advance warnings to let you know. Number 5 people, as a rule, or if they got a lot of 5s running through their names, almost always when they're under pressure will experience some twitching around the mouth or the eye. And that's letting them know they need to hit the brakes before they go over the edge. Okay. 5 is the only number that I know that does that, twitching in some part of the face. Now, a person may say, well, I'm not a 5, Virgo, or Gemini, but you may have a lot of 5s running through your name, like Kennedy, for example. That has a lot of 5s in it. So that might be affecting the nervous system, but it does rule the nervous system. It also rules the hands, the arms, and the shoulders too, to the woman to the left, to the man is to the right. Okay. And their most stressful times is always in the months of January, March, and December. These are the cautionary months when the health of that particular number and sign may not be at its best.
Grab your numerology analysis today at numerology33.com.